BabyTV.
A horse, a bee, a cow, a duck, a donkey, a pig, a sheep. Farm animals. A horse. Here are legs. Here is a tail. A wavy orange tail. Here is a mane. Which animal is that? Who makes the sound? A horse! It's Johnny the horse!
Look, a horse!
What a friendly horse!
Let's sing the horsey song.
The horsey runs and runs and runs in the sun. The horsey runs and runs and runs in the sun.
Where is he going to? Maybe to meet his girlfriend Sue, or maybe to another friend, a little boy whose name is Len.
The horsey runs and runs and runs in the sun. The horsey runs and runs and runs in the sun.
He's a friendly horse, he comes to visit us, of course. Hello, horse, how are you? It's so nice to see you too.
He's a friendly horse, he comes to visit us, of course. Hello, horse, how are you? It's so nice to see you too. The horsey runs and runs and runs in the sun. The horsey runs and runs and runs in the sun. The horsey runs and runs and runs in the sun.
Bye-bye, horse. A rooster. Here are legs. Yellow legs. Here are feathers. Colorful feathers. Here is a head. Who has a red comb on their head? Who makes the sound? It's a rooster! It's Kenny the rooster!
Yeah!
Hello, rooster!
The rooster's calling. It's time to wake up.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Out in our backyard, a rooster stands on guard. At night he falls asleep and doesn't make a peep. And with the morning sun, the friendly rooster wakes. And then he calls out loud to everyone around. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, good morning, everyone. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, good morning to the sun. And when he calls and wakes us up, good morning, rooster, we call right back. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, good morning, everyone. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, good morning to the sun.
In the doo-doo-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, good morning, everyone. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, good morning to the sun.
Bye-bye, rooster. A donkey. What kind of animal is this? Everything is mixed up. Let's try and sort it out. No, it's still mixed up. Let's try again. Right, we've found the body. Now let's look for the tail.
Yeah!
Oh, look! A donkey's head, a donkey's body, and a donkey's tail. It's a donkey!
Woohoo!
Help us connect the dots to find out which animal this is. Can you guess? It's a donkey!
Yippee!
Hi, donkey! Bye-bye, donkey. A sheep. Here are legs. Legs with hooves. Here is a tail.
Yay!
I wonder which animal has such a fluffy white tail. Here is an ear. A long and floppy ear. Who makes the sound? A sheep!
Yeah!
It's Sheepy the sheep. A big white sheep is jumping up and down. Hi, sheep. Two smaller white sheep. Four tiny white sheep. A big sheep. A small sheep. A tiny sheep. Three sheep. Bye-bye, sheep. A pig. Here's a tail. A short and curly tail. Here's a nose. Which animal has such a round and pink nose? Oh, here are legs. Short and pink legs. Who makes the sound? A pig!
Yay!
It's Piggy the pig. What kind of animal is this? Everything is mixed up. Let's try and sort it out. No, it's still mixed up. Let's try again. Right, we've found the body. Now let's look for the tail.
Yeah!
Hey, look. A pig's head.
That's right!
A pig's body. A pig's tail. It's a pig. Bye-bye, pig. A cow. Here's a tail with a furry tip. Here are legs. Thick legs. Here's a nose. Which animal has a wide nose with big nostrils? Who makes this sound? A cow! It's Moo Moo the cow!
Woohoo!
Oh, Moo Moo, you're so cute!
The little brown cow went out to play on a warm and sunny day. Moo, 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 moo. That's what she sang, that's what she sang all morning long. The little brown cow went out to play on a warm and sunny day.
Then she met another cow, and together they sang out loud.
Moo, 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 moo.
Bye-bye, cow. A duck. Here are 2 feet. I wonder which animal has webbed feet. Here are 2 wings and a tail with blue and green feathers. Here is a beak. An orange beak. Who makes the sound? A duck! It's Ducky the duck! A big yellow duck. Where are you going? Oh, there you are!
Wow!
2 medium-sized green-yellow ducks. 2 little yellow ducklings and 2 little pink ducklings. A big duck. A medium-sized duck. A little duckling.
Yippee! Yeah!
Bye-bye, duck. A bee. Here are a pair of wings. See-through and delicate wings. Here are 2 eyes. 2 dark eyes. Here are stripes. Who makes the sound? A bee. It's Bubble the bee.
Woohoo! Wow! Look how many flowers!
In the cheerful spring we all went out to play. The bright and yellow sunshine throughout the day. Everywhere we looked there were flowers all around, and bumblebees were flying and making buzzing sounds.
Flowers, 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 red and yellow and green. Flowers, 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 give pollen to the bees.
The flowers, they are yours and mine. We'll be back. See you next time.
Flowers, 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 red and yellow and green. Flowers, 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 give pollen to the bees. Flowers, 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 red and yellow and green. Flowers, 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 give pollen to the bees.
Bye-bye, bee.
BabyTV